I'm going to show you how to open an Azure account and get $200 for the first month. So let's open up a browser and type in portal.azure.com. Once that's done, we will choose an account that we want to log in with. So I have chosen mine as kzcclabs@outlook.com and click next. I have set up two-step verification, so I'll get a notification and I shall sign in with that. Stay signed in, click yes. And here I am on my dashboard of my portal. So now to get the $200, we need to create a subscription. Let's go into subscription and create one. But before I do that, there is an error message on the right hand side that says that the authorized user does not have enough permissions. This is because we don't have a subscription. So when we create a subscription, this message will not appear. Let's create the subscription, fill in your basic details. And click next. It's just confirming my information. It's setting my account. And it's redirecting me to my portal again. Now, as you can see, I have an Azure active subscription called Azure Subscription 1. And I am the owner of this subscription, and hence that error message will not appear anymore. Give it a couple of minutes and you shall see that you have $200 which will expire in 30 days. Please do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at info@kzcclabs.com, and you can also follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.